welcome back. This is another STEM craft with Lee. It's kind of a STEM craft. We're a little bit different today, but welcome to the Lawrenceburg Public Library regardless. So today, we've got a coding bag. So it's an envelope, not a bag, but still. And so inside of this, you've got a bunch of different stuff that'll teach you how to code. So none of it is on technology. We're technology-free coding, but so you're going to open your bag and you're going to have a paper that looks like this. Now it says Printable Secret Code Puzzle for Kids. So on it you'll see there's letters with little symbols under them. So then down here you have a bunch of little symbols and you have to crack the code. So you got to use this little key and find all the little letters to make words and figure out what it says. Now I haven't done it yet, so you'll have to tell me what it says when you come in, because I have no idea, and I have to be in on the secret. And then you'll also find a color by number page. So I chose the Pikachu one. There's also a Pluto for Mickey Mouse in there. So you're just going to follow the instructions at the bottom where it says the colors. So number 1 is yellow. So most of Pikachu is yellow. So number 1 was all over Pikachu. And then 2 is black. So there was a little bit of black. It was mostly just his eyes and ears. And so you'll just go on and fill out this whole thing, just coloring it by number. Or if you don't want to color by number, you can color him however you want. But that's just the instructions. You're also going to find there's a page that looks like this. Now it shows you a key that tells you each letter in binary code, which binary code is these little blocks. So like A is black block, white block, black block, black block, black block, black block, black block, white block. A little hard to say, but there you go. So then at the bottom, you can shade in the first initial of your name. So my name's Lee, so I would do L, which is right there. And then you can cut this off and make it a bracelet, or there's beads inside of your little packets that look like these, and you can make your actual bracelet using beads. So this one is L for Lee, and so is this one. And since I had some extras, I used the extra blacks at the back to make it a little bit longer so it can fit around my wrist. See? But you can do however you want. Everyone has different colors, so it's just whatever bag you got. You got some colors. There's 15 of one color and then 8 of the other. The 8 of one color is going to be the black boxes on here. So the white is for the rest of it, just to fill in. So like the blue on here is the 15 extra. So you'll use those just to fill in the rest of the bag or the bracelet, so that way you have enough beads to make it an actual bracelet. But the 8 of the other color are the ones you want to use for this actual code. But so you have that to do on your own at your house. And then there's this packet. So we were donated these by CS First Unplugged. It's a Google company. And they're little packets, so you can open them up, and there's a bunch of different coding examples and lessons that you can take part in. And you can fill it out whenever you want. But then this page uses this little guy that's in your bag already made for you. So it tells you exactly how to use this to solve this code right here. So you'll use this, and it's like a little spin. See, it spins. It's called a cipher. So you'll use the cipher to solve this encrypted message. And then once you know how to use a cipher, then you could send secret notes with your friends or even your family members. But yeah, so there's that. And then you also, in your packet, will have a bookmark that has a bunch of books that are recommended. So here's one of them. It's How to Be a Coder. And inside of it, there's just a bunch of different types of coding. So this one specifically is coding in Scratch. So Scratch is an online website that you can go to, and you can learn how to code your own animations. And there's this cute little cat that you can make fly across the city. You can do just about anything you want. So this book is in our library right now, and you can come get it whenever you want, within library hours, of course, or you can put it on hold online. But yeah, so these will be available. The last week of May for you guys to come, and this will be posted right on the day that they're available anyway, so you guys will see it then. So you guys have a great time. Come see us at the library and show off your bracelets or your beautiful pictures that you colored. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!